Contemporary dance is a popular dance style. It is known for its expressive and athletic movements. It is often seen on stage and in competitions. What makes it unique is its freedom of expression. Contemporary dancers connect with the music. They use their bodies to tell a story. It's about raw emotion and powerful storytelling. It's all about pushing boundaries. There are no set rules in contemporary dance. It's about exploring movement and expressing yourself. This freedom allows dancers to be creative. It allows them to develop their own unique style. Contemporary dance has a rich history. It emerged in the mid-20th century. It was a rebellion against classical dance forms. Early pioneers wanted to break free from strict traditions. Over the years, it has evolved. It has incorporated elements of other dance styles. These styles include jazz, ballet, and even hip-hop. This fusion of styles makes it exciting and dynamic. Contemporary dance is always changing. New choreographers and dancers emerge. They bring their own ideas and inspirations to the stage. The future of contemporary dance is full of possibilities. Contemporary dancers need a strong technical foundation. They need flexibility, strength, and control. They also need to be aware of their bodies. Floor work is a big part of contemporary dance. This involves rolling, sliding, and transitioning between different levels. Dancers need to be comfortable moving on the floor. Contemporary dance requires stamina and endurance. Dancers need to maintain energy. They need to execute movements with precision. Many talented choreographers and dancers have shaped contemporary dance. Martha Graham is considered the mother of modern dance. Her work was groundbreaking. Twyla Tharp is another influential choreographer. Her work is known for its athleticism and humor. She has created dances for both stage and film. These artists have inspired generations of dancers. They continue to push the boundaries of contemporary dance.